Welcome, I am Colina, the creator of SatMom. This video is to show you about our gemstone wands that we're creating, and it gives you some ideas on how to use your wand. And the ways to use them are truly infinite, so if you come up with other ways, please share beneath the video or share with us somehow how you like to use your wand, because we would love to create even more ideas and ways to use these. So each one is created unique and individually. There are very few that even look the same. Many of them have 2 points. All of them will have at least 1 point on them. And they each have a unique selection of gemstones. This one has lapis, amethyst, amber, celestite, quartz, and shungite. So there are many different ways to use this. You can simply put it under your pillow, put it on your bedside table. You could use it in your meditation space to charge a space. You can use it when you do Reiki treatments, whether those are on a person or for a space. They are good for space clearing and charging. They are also good to draw negative energies out of a space and release them into the earth. Release them into the earth. That's what key. You don't ever want to hold on to negative energies. When you pull them out, always give them back to the earth for composting. Oh, let's see. So specifically charging areas, you can do spot treatment in your body. You can clear and charge your third eye. You can work with any particular chakra. You can, I've noticed in Reiki treatments, like brain wormies, wanting to come out and be pulled out. So just like dark energy patterns. So things like thought patterns that are negatively affecting us, but pretty well worn into our system, can kind of present themselves, to me at least, in that visual sense. And then this tool helps me to pull them out of a client, and thus the client experiences less of that particular mental energy that they'd been really kind of stuck in before. You can move the wand over your energy field 3 to 5 times, clearing your energy field. This is a great practice to do when you get home for the day. Clear your energy, have it by the door maybe, and clear your energy as you walk into your house so you don't bring any energy from the previous part of your day into your home space. I know that there are more ways that we can use these. Selenite, this clear, this whitish clear, it's very variegated. You can see the veins in it. This is not something that you want to get wet. This will disintegrate. Not totally disintegrate, but it will definitely, you'll notice it like not being as so clean and clear on the edges if it gets wet or damp. So you want to keep this in a dry location. Selenite also does not hold a negative charge, and it does not need clearing. This is one of the very few stones that always hold their charge, that don't need to be cleared of negative energy or will not hold the negative energy build up. So in that sense, it's always clearing and charging the other stones on your wand as well. Some of them have abalone. Some of them are more light ones. Some of them are a little bit more heavy and earthy. This moss agate is so replenishing and nourishing. With the rose quartz, this is very loving, heavier. This really helps to heal lower chakra issues, fear, abandonment, like disconnection from our creativity and sensuality, and bring those energies up into the heart center. So if you're requesting a wand of your own, you can let us know if there's any personal preferences. And beyond that, as far as like if you'd like a single or a double-ended wand, or if there's a particular stone you would really love to have involved there. So you can make those notes, and then we will try to accommodate as best as possible. So always keep your wands in a special, safe, dry space. Find a special spot in your house whether that's where you meditate, where you sleep, where your family is. Keeping it in your family space can help family energies be more flowy and keep clearing out stuff that can get heavy. Share with us your favorite ways to use it, please, in the comments below or on social media where you want to go and share your wands. Just tag SatMom or Kalina Casa. Thank you, and we hope for my daughter Mahalia and we hope that you truly enjoy your wands, and we hope that you feel and experience this beautiful childlike 6-year-old energy that's also imbued with innocence of your beauty.